Hi beauties, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, you know the drill. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. If this is not your first time, thanks for stopping by. Love you guys. So today's tutorial is quite I saw a picture on my Instagram page of of someone that I was following, so and I really liked the eye look. I decided to film that, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I actually filmed a video on how I achieve my brows these days. Like, it's super easy and it's a lifesaver, so you guys, you need to, you must watch that video. Like, if you want your brow game to go from 50 to 100 or even 200, you need to watch that video. I'm going to leave the link in the description box, so make sure to check the description box so you can watch that video. And it's not long, it's very simple, and in less than 30 minutes I was done with my brows. Can you believe that? So my brows are already done. I'm just gonna blend any excess color. So I'm gonna use sellotape to because I want the eyeshadow to be like winged, so I'm just gonna use that to control the colors that I'm working with. I'm going to use this palette. This is the Beauty Creations palette, Elsa's Beauty Creations palette. It has like such beautiful colors, and that's why I find myself reaching out for this palette more often than not. To create a definition in my crease, or to create a transition, I'm going to be using these two shades. It's like a burnt orange and brownish orange, but it forms the perfect transition for my skin color. To define my crease, I'm going to be using a much darker shade, this shade here. I'm doing like a smoked winged eyeshadow, so I'm going to be using this black eyeshadow. This is the blackest eyeshadow that I own, and it's really good, and I've been using this for like several years. So while I'm pushing it into my crease, I'm also like taking it on my lid, like so. Just to intensify my lid color, I'm going to be using this Care eyeshadow primer. For lid color, I'll be using the gold color in this Care Gemini palette. So once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and use that black eyeshadow to kind of like create a transition so that it doesn't blend well. So for gel liner, because I'm winging it out, I'm going to be using this Carrier gel liner in black ink color 1. Just to further intensify the black gel liner, just so it shows better, I'm going to be using a liquid liner just at the beginning. So, but before I fix my lashes, I'm going to be applying some glitter glue, what is it called? I'll be applying gold glitter on my eyelid, and to do that, I'll be using this classic glitter glue and some gold glitter. And once I've done, I'm going to go ahead and fix my lashes.